Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Mount Pleasant FA will look to secure their first hold on the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup when they face off with Universidad O&M FC of the Dominican Republic in the second leg final at the National Stadium this evening at 7. Mount Pleasant currently hold a 1-0 lead on aggregate from the first leg final in the Dom Rep last week. Although only holding a slender 1-0 lead, head coach Theodore Whitmore says that they are right where they need to be heading into the second leg final.
Just a few days we were having a discussion and even said to the staff, it might sound away, but I'm glad we're not going into this tie with a 2-goal advantage. I think one is enough, so we know that we have something to play for. We've been mean in terms of giving up goals in this tournament so far, and we want to continue that way. We think we have enough can damage this team in the final turn once we can take our chances.
Victory for Mount Pleasant will also give them a bye to the round of 16 of the CONCACAF Champions Cup. And this will be the third meeting between the teams, with Mount Pleasant winning the previous 2 matches. Reggae boy Demarai Gray was on the score sheet for Birmingham City in their 2-1 win over Swansea City in the English Championship on Monday. Gray struck this stunner in the 43rd minute to send Birmingham 2-0 up in the contest. This was Gray's 4th goal of the season for Birmingham. With the win, Birmingham moved up to 7th in the points standings. Jamaica's men's basketballers defeated their Puerto Rican counterparts 97-92 in their return leg match in Group B of the FIBA Americas 2027 World Cup qualifiers in Puerto Rico on Monday night. Kofi Coburn once again led the Jamaicans with a double-double, 15 points and 12 rebounds, along with 5 assists and 1 steal. Chase Audige also scored a team-high 20 points, while Romain Thompson contributed 18 and Tyran de la Thibaudere 15 points. In what is considered a huge upset, the world number 96 ranked Jamaicans swept both matches against the world number 16 ranked Puerto Ricans, having also won the first leg match 92-90 last week Friday, also in Puerto Rico. And Jamaica will next face Bahamas in February before taking on Canada in the other Group B qualifiers. With their 2 wins, Jamaica are now joint leaders of Group B along with Canada on 4 points. The West Indies bowlers enjoyed a good opening day in the first test against New Zealand, restricting the hosts to 231 for 9 in their first innings at stumps on a rain-affected day in Christchurch. Zach Folkes and Jacob Duffy on 4 each were the not-out batters at the close for New Zealand, who were sent to bat. Kane Williamson has so far top scored with 52, while Michael Bracewell contributed 47. Tom Blundell also made 29 and Nathan Smith 23 for the Kiwis. Debutant Jamaica's O'Jay Shields has so far taken 2 for 34, Justin Greaves 2 for 35, and Kemar Roach 2 for 47 for the Windies. There has also been a wicket each for Jaden Seals, Johan Lane, and Captain Roston Chase. Now, play was halted for 90 minutes when the players were forced off the field after just 3.3 overs into the contest because of rain. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.